right, folks, what we're doing here is we are changing a cabin air filter today. This is a 2011 Hyundai Sonata. We're going to change it with this STP brand from AutoZone, CAF 1817P. Okay, notice that there's an airflow arrow. Just remember that, because you're going to need that when you go in here. Like most cabin filters, it's found in the glove box. So, open up the glove box, empty out the customer's stuff that's in there. Okay, there's a little shock over here. You squeeze the two tabs and the shock will come out. Then there's two knobs, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Okay, so let's do the shock first. Took that out. The knob, just turn it to the left. The knob will come out in your hand. This one will come out in your hand. Then the door's gonna drop. And of course the knob's gonna fall out too. There you go. The cabin filter is found in there. Okay, that long slotted item there. Let me get a little flashlight to show you. Okay. Right in there is where you're gonna find it. You pinch that little corner, those two little tabs there, and it looks like it slides out of that one. Because some have two clips. This one only has one. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna just squeeze this little piece off here and pull the door off. See how it tilts? All right, gonna tilt towards you, it's gonna slide towards you, and it's gonna come out in your hand. And by looking at that cabin filter, it's been there for a while, people. Look at that. Oh boy. All right, so just by looking here, you can see how the airflow is. The airflow goes down. That's why you got all the debris. Okay? So when you go with your new filter and it says airflow down, see it? You're going to make sure that when you put that filter in, it's going to go with the arrow going down. So let's pull this out nice and slowly. Try not to get too much of the debris out, but I can see it's already falling out already. Easy peasy. Coming into the light. There you go. Okay. How's that for some debris, huh? Holy crapola. How long has that thing been in there? Okay. You want to go change it? Look, it's a Kia one. Nah, it can't be the original one. Who knows? All right, so the airflow is down on this arrow. Okay, and it's facing this way. So that's the way it's going to go back in. Okay, it's going to go the same way with the arrow pointing down. Okay, so let's take it, shove it in there. And I'm going to get the little bugger to go back in. There you go. Perfecto. Okay, airflow going down. Same thing here. Gonna put this little slot into that little rectangle piece and then snap it over there. So let's go do that. Set you in there. Dun, dun, dun. There you go. I'm gonna snap it in there. There you go. See? Good as new, right? Let's clean the rest of the debris here out for the customer. All right, let's put this back up. Want to do the shock first? We can do the shock first. Here's the shock. Snap it on. That'll hold the door for you for a little bit while you put the knobs back on, which I took down and they fell on the floor. Here they are. All right, so push the door in because it's got to pass this little panel here. Because that's what these stoppers are for. You line them up, they only go one way. Oh, it's hard to see without the cameras. Now the camera's in the way. There you go. All right. Turn them and they lock. Okay. The shape of the hole there is the shape of the knob. It'll go in easy peasy. Just a little harder when you got the camera. Other than that, goes on pretty good. Hang on, I can't hold this camera. There you go. All done. Now I just put the contacts back in the glove box, and we are good to go. All right. Thanks for watching. Cabin air filter. Change them, because you definitely need to change them. Look at that. Up close. Ciao. Thanks for watching.